Looking to boost your website's search rankings and attract more visitors? Content marketing is key to a successful SEO strategy. By creating high-quality, keyword-optimized blog posts, guides, and videos, you help search engines understand your site and build trust with your audience. Well-structured content improves user experience, keeps visitors engaged, and encourages valuable backlinks. Regularly updating your content ensures it stays relevant and SEO-friendly. Focus on producing valuable material, optimizing with keywords and meta tags, and making your site mobile-friendly. When content marketing and SEO work together, your online visibility and authority grow stronger.